Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
Good morning, Arjun.
Good morning, Maya.
This library is beautiful.
It's very peaceful.
I love reading books here.
Me too.
Let's find some interesting books.
Great idea.
Let's begin.
Follow me.
I'm looking for an English book. This shelf has many books.
Let's check them.
I found a grammar book.
I found a storybook.
Both look useful.
Which one will you choose?
The grammar book.
I'll take the storybook.
This book is interesting.
Mine is exciting too.
I learned a new word.
What is it?
Knowledge.
That's a useful word.
Reading improves vocabulary.
I agree. Let's continue reading.
Sure. What does library mean?
It's a place full of books.
What does borrow mean?
It means taking a book for some time.
Great! Learning English is fun. I'd like to borrow this book.
Me too.
Here's my library card.
Thank you.
When should I return it?
In 2 weeks.
That's perfect.
Let's read every day.
This table is empty. I like natural light.
It's very quiet, perfect for studying.
Let's start reading.
Absolutely.
This grammar lesson is helpful.
I agree.
Let's study together.
That's a great idea.
What is today's topic?
Simple present tense.
Simple present tense.
I understand it now.
Practice every day. I will.
Excellent.
I don't know this word.
Let's check the dictionary.
Here it is.
Read the meaning.
Now I understand.
Great!
Dictionaries are useful.
They help us learn.
I'll use one every day. What's your favorite book?
I like adventure stories.
I enjoy mystery novels.
That's interesting.
Books teach us many things.
They improve our imagination.
Reading is my hobby.
Mine too.
Let's read another book. We studied a lot today.
Yes, we learned many new words.
I enjoyed every minute.
Me too.
Let's come back tomorrow.
Definitely.
Practice makes perfect.
I completely agree.
This computer is fast.
Yes, it works perfectly.
I'm searching for English books. I found a useful website. Technology helps us learn.
I completely
Let's
agree.
save these resources.
Good idea.
This magazine is interesting.
What's it about?
It's about science.
I like science too.
The pictures are amazing.
Me too.
Please listen to my pronunciation.
It sounds very clear.
Thank you.
Say this word again.
Knowledge.
Excellent pronunciation.
Practice makes me better.
Keep practicing.
I will.
Wonderful.
Here's the first question.
I know the answer.
Really?
Yes, it's easy.
Correct.
Great teamwork.
Let's answer the next one.
I'm ready.
We are improving every day.
Absolutely.
These books belong here.
I'll arrange this shelf.
Everything looks organized now.
A clean library is pleasant.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Teamwork makes things easier.
That's true.
This novel looks interesting.
I like the cover. Have you read it before?
No, this is my first time. I'll borrow this one.
I'll borrow another novel. Reading is enjoyable.
It improves our English too. Let's start reading.
Absolutely.
I'm writing new words.
I'm taking grammar notes.
Writing helps me remember.
Me too.
Can I see your notebook?
Of course.
Your notes are neat.
Thank you.
Let's keep studying.
Sure.
I enjoy history books. They teach us about the past.
I learned a new fact today.
History is important. It helps us understand the world.
Let's read one more chapter.
Good idea. Look at this globe. It's very detailed. Where is India?
Right here.
I found it.
Great job.
I want to travel someday.
Me too.
Learning geography is fun. It's very quiet here.
I like this atmosphere.
I can focus better.
Me too. Reading makes me happy. It relaxes my mind.
I'll finish this chapter
I'll finish mine
today.
too.
See you after read. I enjoy science books.
Science is fascinating.
This chapter explains space. I love astronomy.
The pictures are amazing.
They make learning easier.
Let's read this book.
I'm excited to learn more.
Me too.
I learned 5 new words today.
That's wonderful.
Can you explain this word?
Of course.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime.
I'll practice these words tonight.
That's a good habit. Practice improves memory.
Today's newspaper is interesting.
What's the headline?
It's about education.
That's important news.
I enjoy reading newspapers.
They improve our English.
We also learn current events.
Absolutely.
Let's read another article.
Sure.
Let's search the catalog.
I'll type the title.
The book is available.
That's great news.
It's on the 3rd floor.
Let's go there.
Technology saves time.
I agree.
This system is helpful.
Very helpful.
I finished this book.
Me too.
Let's return them.
This is the correct shelf.
Everything is organized.
That's important.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Ready for another book?
Always.
I enjoy reading biographies. They inspire me. This book is about a scientist.
I found one about an inventor.
Successful people teach valuable
That's true.
lessons. Let's read them together.
Great idea.
I need an English dictionary.
It's on this shelf.
Here it is.
Let's look up the word. The meaning is clear now.
Dictionaries are very useful.
That's a smart habit.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
This encyclopedia is huge.
It contains lots of information.
Look, it's about the solar system.
That's fascinating.
I learned many new facts.
Me too. Knowledge is everywhere.
Studying together is fun. Let's practice speaking English.
That's a good idea.
I'll ask the first question.
I'm ready.
Your English is improving.
So is yours.
Let's keep practicing every day. We studied for many hours. Time passed so quickly.
I completely agree.
Let's come back tomorrow.
Definitely.
Goodbye, Arjun.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.